Hello friends, welcome to Price Action English channel. The stock name is DocuSign. Seems to be it is an IT company and it started rising from 36 odd levels to $315. Okay, of course it's taken a long period. After breaching this level by 2021, what happened? I think some fundamentals are changed. That's the reason stock tumbled down and the downtrend is clearly visible. If we observe the chart and it is making a lower low, whenever stock is trying to make pullback, sellers are getting activated. So this is said to be a downtrend. So after a while it gets settled at almost $39. Okay, when market approaches this 39, somewhat buying pressure was visible. Whenever a stock hitting the bottom, we need to focus on one thing, that is volumes, because everything can be manipulated but cannot be volumes. Okay, so in this case, whenever stock trading around 39 40 odd levels, people are interested to accumulate, that is visible via volumes. So again what happened, it's made a high, recent high means, okay, so whenever 69 breached, again they are exiting their positions. And if we observe very closely, this is the previous swing low. Whenever stock approached this level, we are able to see a bullish engulfing candle pattern. Okay, so this comes from the candlestick pattern. Again we need to focus on simple things, that is volume. Of course the selling intensity was very high. Whenever sellers got an opportunity, they are taking the advantage and they are selling very aggressively. But there is some sort of a support based on the historical levels. Okay, when market approached 40 odd levels, people are slowly accumulating, and here in this case the bullish engulfing kind of pattern was there, means again buyers entered when reached this level. Okay, after that volumes are rising constantly, and again if we mark this level, this can act as a resistance level. Okay, this is the previous resistance level and again another resistance level, but this time it looks magnet. Whenever market approaches this 64.81 odd level, they are keep on selling. Okay, so that's the price action and their activity visible whenever market approaching these 65 odd levels. But friends, what happened, and stock is taking the pullback after this resistance level. When market approaching 50 odd level, I am trying to just mark the zone. This is said to be a zone. Whenever stock approaching this 50 odd level, people are accumulating. See, this is a very interesting area to watch, because stock gap down in the support zone. This is the support zone around 49.50, and again this is the green candle. Okay, so something is happening. It is clearly visible via price action. If we observe this support area 1 2 3 4 times, again the support was shifted. Previously the support zone was this area around 40, now it's been shifted to 50 odd levels. Okay, anyhow we are not sure what is going to happen, because fundamentally the company seems to be bad situation. If we observe this resistance alone, there is a huge breakout happen on October, actually 7th. This is the weekly time frame. So that time the weekly candle closed above this 65 odd levels. Of course we have another resistance level, that is 69.70. Immediate candle was closed above that 70 odd level. Of course small retracement, they have taken the previous resistance as a support. From that point it started a rally. So friends, here buying bottom, it's not a big deal. Surely we can identify that bottom levels by observing the volumes and price action. Okay, in this case if we wait patiently, this is the bullish engulfing candle at support area. Here we can take the buying opportunity, or else if we observe at these 49 odd levels, it is clearly visible that buyers are entering into the market, so we can buy at these levels. Or else if you are an active breakout trader, this is a great opportunity. Why I am telling this is a great opportunity? If we observe, this is a resistance level, exactly the second time when market hit that level, sellers entered, and again the same level get rejected. Definitely this is a strong resistance to consider. But this time is different, when market approaches this level, there is no rejection. Instead rejection, there is a pure breakout happened. So after the breakout, what we do generally, we would like to buy above that candle, and we would like to keep the stop loss below that level. So from that area, it's given a beautiful reward, let's say 53%. That is so beautiful. Okay, so in this way we can identify the bottoms. All we need to observe the actions and volumes, how they are doing. Okay, once we observe, and once we observe the candlestick patterns kind of thing, or else breakouts, it's been easy to enter into the stock. So yeah, there is a massive rally from this breakout. Okay, in this way we need to analyze the bottom buyings. Friends, hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you're not yet subscribe our channel, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.